Imagine being able to buy that iPhone on your own. Or that MacBook Pro. Or even paying your own college fees. Without asking a single penny from your family. The 99% of you will just. But that 1% guy is 2024 and you have no excuse. Let me give you. There are no bullshit guide on how to earn lakhs while being a student in college. Now why me? 5 years, 13 skills, most of them failed and only a few really work. Let me say 5 years of your time, give everything I learned to do and most importantly what not to do under 10 minutes. Quick story, 3 years into using my Windows laptop, I was frustrated. It ran slow, battery lasted less than you do and it sounded like a jet. I wanted to buy the MacBook Pro. Only problem was 3.30 lakh. That's the amount. I started with graphic design because that's the easiest thing to start. Did some posters, logo, digital art, made the first 5,000. Tried UI design, landed an unpaid internship which got me a US freelance project. 50,000 check in the next 3 months. Video editing. Edited cheeky club edits, then podcast, which made me the next 10,000. Landed a 3-month editing contract for a healthcare startup. 30,000 check. Burnt out myself, took a break, went to Nepal. Back with full energy, upskilled myself, started editing for 2 venture capitalist firms, Titan Capital, 𝗀𝗺𝗵𝗁, 50k, check. Then I met Aman. We moved from video editing to motion design, product videos for startups. Immediately 5x our income. 10,000, 30,000, 35,000, 40,000, 50,000, 55,000 per video. Now this took me 2 years of blood and sweat, but let me break things down for you. Earning while being in college can give an edge over your friends, but the fact is no company would prefer you without the right skills or experiences. And in a traditional college, every student has to manage all of this out on their own while having a hectic study schedule. But there's a college where a first student cracked a 1.25 lakh Google Summer of Code internship offer. And many of the first is also cracked 30,000 per month plus internships, which is pretty rare. These new age institutions are challenging the outdated curriculum that 99% of colleges still follow. Come on, this is 2024 and you don't want to fall behind. They are teaching coding fundamentals, taking AI workshops, even personal mentorships with Microsoft CTO. Top students are being sent to Singapore and Silicon Valley to attend international conferences. If you are planning to join engineering this year and want exposure along with money, don't forget to apply for their NSAT exam. Exam is on 26 June and the link is in the description down below. Back to the video. Graphic design, UI UX design, video editing, motion graphics, web development, app development, blockchain development, copywriting, search engine optimization, social media marketing, email marketing, photography, 3D modeling, music production, virtual assistants, online tutoring, cloud computing, consulting, content creation, affiliate marketing, sales executive, or closer. Half of these are just. First, graphic design. 8 out of 10. Easy to start. 2 to 3 months before you get project. Charge from 1,000 to 5,000 per gig. Really depends on what you do. UI UX design. A natural extension of graphic design. You need to learn user research, wireframing, prototyping, human interaction. 6 out of 10 on easy scale. 3 to 6 months to get projects. And you can earn from 5,000 to even 25,000 as a beginner. Bonus. You can even land a paid internship if you are good enough. Video editing. Not the easiest. 5 out of 10 on easy. 4 to 6 months before any project. Go from 1,000 to 20,000 per gig as a beginner. Motion graphics. Again, not very easy to get started. 4 out of 10 on easy. 6 to 8 months before decent projects. If your average 2,000 to 10,000, if you're good, sky is the limit. I've charged 55,000 for a 60-second video. But there's a catch. To be good at motion graphics, you need to be good at design and video editing both. Next, the 3Ds. WebD, AppD, Blockchain D. Website dev being the easiest and blockchain dev being the hardest. So my job is in a tech career and tech is hard. It takes time, but if you're really good, you can even land up getting a high-paying dream job or even remote jobs. 1 to 2 on the easy scale. 6 months to 1 year to learn the entire stack from 10,000 to lakhs per project. Copywriting. This one is interesting. You can do all of this under copywriting, content writing, email marketing, sales copywriting, ad copywriting, technical writing, ghost writing. There's a lot of demand for very high quality copywriting, but most people write really bad. If you can write a script like this for me, I would hire you instantly. 4 to 5 on easy, 1 to 3 months to be decent enough, 1,000 to 15,000 per gig depending on how you are and what you write. SEO, which is search engine optimization. 5 out of 10 on easy, 2 to 4 months to get started, 5,000 to 20,000 per gig. But mind you, with the advent of ChatGPT, the market for SEO is set to a decline, so just be cautious. Till then, it's totally fine. Online tutoring, virtual assistants, sales executive, or a closer. All of these are pretty easy to get started if you have a knack for them. For example, if you already love teaching, you can teach j or whatever. If you want to help people in some grunt work, you can be their virtual assistants. In fact, you can be mine too. If you're good with negotiations, closing deals, then you can be a closer. I remember Rahul texted me months back that, hey, can I get you more deals or increase budget of your existing clients? You don't need to pay me monthly, just pay me a portion of your deal. Interesting. This month I paid close to 15,000 to Rahul. By the way, this is called commission-based earning. Next, content creation. Let's address the elephant in the room. 2 out of 10 on easy, 6 to 12 months before you monetize your content. Just depending on your niche, you can earn 5,000 per month to even lakhs per month as a beginner to medium content creator. Affiliate marketing. This one is a special mention because if you have the right audience and a moderate distribution, you can be an associate's partner. I was an Amazon associate's partner, generated close to 90 lakhs in sales for Amazon. This one is not recommended. But there's one skill, when done right, can literally make you lakhs and lakhs. But there's a trap you cannot fall for. Just learning the skill is not enough. So do this instead. Step 1. In the first month, forget the money. Just focus on learning, as your work will suck and it's okay to suck. Do this for the next 1 to 2 months. Step 2. Third month, you start sharing your progress on social media. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. But bhaiya, wo to India mein ban hai na? Anyway, step 3. Make a portfolio. It can be Behance, Notion, Card, YouTube, or even your own hosted website. Step 4. See, this is where people go wrong. People start to monetize so early on, when they're really bad. Only after the 4 to 6 months of really grinding hard, you start reaching out to clients, content creators, via cold DMs, email, Instagram, whatever channel the people are on. And never. Step 5. Now you have clients, but you aren't getting paid a lot. That's okay. Give your best efforts. Ask them for a really loved working with you. Can you give me a testimonial? LinkedIn, email, video, whatever works. Step 6. On the 10th to 12th month, you have some clients. Now you keep reaching out more, doing more, charging more, taking breaks, coming back even stronger, learning more, and even getting better at your skill. Don't even forget this one thing. Do you mind referring me to someone else who might need my services? 80% of my clients came via referrals. Do you remember I said a while back? But there's one skill, when done right, can literally make you lakhs and lakhs. It's personal branding. Who can tell us better about it than...
Hello ji, namaste. My name is Akash. I have been making videos since the past 4 years. Started out as a freelance video editor and then shifted into content creation and personal branding. और जब से personal brand grow होना start हुआ है, I have not 10x but 100x my charges of video editing and other services as well. अब how is this possible? इसका बड़ा एक simple psychological thing है. तुम सोच के देखो, as a common man, whatever services you are offering as a freelancer, भाई इंडिया में possibly हजारों वैसे लोग same services offer कर रहे हैं. Now what can basically set you apart? It's nothing but the way you position yourself in the market, and that is personal branding. Personal branding के 2-3 main pillars होते हैं. Number 1 is what kind of services you are offering and what is unique in that, कि मैं तुमको ही क्यों लूँ. The second thing, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग आई मीन कि तुम जब खुद का कंटेंट बनाते हो, लिंक्डइन में हो गया, इंस्टाग्राम पे हो गया, फेसबुक, कहीं पर जहां पर भी योर आइडियल क्लाइंट इज विजिबल, वहां पर इफ यू आर शोइंग 2 थिंग्स. नंबर 1 इज द वे यू हैव वर्क, लाइक आपका इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब ही आपका पोर्टफोलियो बन जाता है. एंड सेकेंडली, इफ योर वर्क एथिक इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड द काइंड ऑफ वीडियोज यू मेक इज अराउंड दैट थिंग, द क्लाइंट विच इज कमिंग टू यू ऑलरेडी नोज कि दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोना गेट फ्रॉम दिस गाय एंड व्हाट ही इज गोना गेट. जो कि आपका पर्टिकुलर पेज या फिर लिंक्डइन में चीजें है, वो इतने टॉप लेवल में फिनिश हो कि आपने पोजीशन करी अपने आप को, दैट नाउ यू आर बीइंग मार्क्ड एज अ प्रीमियम वीडियो एडिटर, नॉट एज अ बेसिक, नॉट एज अ इंटरमीडिएट वन. राज की बात बताता हूं, हालांकि आपके स्किल सेट यहाँ पर मीडियोकर हो सकते हैं, बट द वे यू हैव पोजीशनड योरसेल्फ इज क्रेजी. योर पर्सनल ब्रांड आल्सो हैज अ पर्सनल टच. भाई पर्सनल वर्ड आता है ना उसमें, तो आपकी पर्सनैलिटी भी उसमें निखर के आ रही है. देन दैट्स अ नो ब्रेनर. यू कैन easily 5x योर चार्जेस आफ्टर यू हिट लाइक 1000-2000 फॉलोअर्स एंड हैव मेड सम गुड कनेक्शंस. मतलब देखो ना कितना अच्छा लगेगा जब आपके प्रोफाइल में कोई क्लाइंट जाता है एंड दे सी दैट दे आर ऑलरेडी, दैट गाय इज ऑलरेडी बीइंग फॉलोड बाय सम ऑफ देयर कॉमन कनेक्शंस. सो दैट इज अ ह्यूज लेवरेज व्हिच यू कैन यूज एंड पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करो दबा के.
Now you have the entire roadmap. Only thing that's left is to take action. But most of you would just... That's good because you don't deserve to win. But for the 1% who would take a step, here's a disclaimer. It's a very difficult and sometimes a lonely road. You have to sacrifice the parties, the fun, and sometimes
What a jobless being!
you will lose friends, make new ones, but nothing is as satisfying as making these two people proud. Irony is in a generation where you can identify as anything or anyone, do you want to identify as a failure? Wake up, because no one's coming to save you.